Today we will start with question number 3 of exercise number 9.2. In what the question says, if two equal chords of a circle intersect within the circle, if two equal chords here are AB and CD. AB and CD are two equal chords and they are intersecting at point E. Intersect at point E. Intersecting within the circle, prove that the segments of one chord are equal to, this is if no, question number third, if two equal chords of a circle intersect with the, prove that the line joining the point of intersection, line joining the point of intersection to correspond point of intersection to the center. Point of intersection to the center means this line, EO line joining the point of intersection to the center. Makes equal angles with the chord. This is one chord, and this is EO is the line joining the point of intersection to the center. So this line, point of intersection, is making an angle here and here. So these two angles you have to prove that they are equal. So what we will do, we will draw perpendicular on line AB and perpendicular on line CD from the center. So perpendicular means it is 90 degree and here also it is 90 degree. It will be 90 degree and here also it is 90 degree. We can make it like this also. So both the angles will be 90 degree. It will be 90 degree angle and it will be also a 90 degree angle. Okay. So it will be 90 degree. Now this construction is over. You have to prove line joining point of intersection, that is point E, to the center OE makes equal angles with the chord. So in triangle OME, OME and triangle OLE in both the circle. O and E are the common. OM and OL and OM, these are the equidistant from the center because the chords are equal. Equal chords are always equicenter from the center. That's why these will be equicenter. And angle OME will be 90 degree. OME and angle OLE both will be 90 degree because perpendicular, we have drawn a perpendicular from the center. So it makes a 90 degree angle. So triangle OME will be congruent to triangle OLE. Both these triangles will be congruent. Okay. So congruent. That's why angle OES, this angle OEM means this one single line. OEM angle will be equal to LEO. Both these will be equal, and because corresponding part of congruent triangle are also equal. So this we have proved. This we have proved. Now we will go to our question number 4. Here, this congruency rule is RHS, means right angle. It should be one right angle and one hypotenuse. This OE is your hypotenuse and any side and one side. So this side OL and OM, these are equal. So based on RHS, this is congruent. Now question number 4 we are going to do. Question number 4, it reads, if a line intersects two concentric circles. Concentric circles means circles which have common center. Those, they are the concentric circles. Okay. So with the same center, concentric circle, with center O and A, B, C and D. O is the center and ABCD is the point where it is line. Line name is ABCD. ABCD is the line and ABC. Prove that AB equal to CD. This you have to prove in the question. So what is given? Two concentric circle with center O. For center O is center for this circle and the second circle also. That's why it is a concentric. And line ABCD is given intersecting both the circle. It is intersecting both the circle. Constructions we have made, we have drawn a perpendicular OP from the center. So from the center, if a perpendicular is drawn on a chord, it bisects it. It means BP for BC, what will happen? A perpendicular OP will bisect BC chord and AD chord also. So when it bisects BC chord, BP and PC will be equal. And when it bisects AD chord, A to P and P to D, it will be equal. So if we, from AP, if you minus BP, and from PD we will minus PC, means from this line AP, if you minus BP, what will remain? AB will remain. And in this side, if from the PD you reduce PC, if you will take out, what will remain? CD will remain. So these will be also equal, because one postulate is there. Equals are subtracted, axiom or postulate is there, equals are subtracted from equals, then both will be also equal. Based on that, it is proved. Okay, now question number 5 we are going to solve. Okay, now exercise 9.2 question number 5 we are going to solve. For 3 girls, Reshma, Salma and Mandeep. R for Reshma, as for your Salma, this is Salma, SL Salma, and this is Mandeep, and this is Reshma. Such Reshma. 3 are playing a game by standing on a circle of radius 5 meter. Its radius is 5 centimeter. So CR, CM and CS all will be equal to 5 meters. Okay, are drawn in a park. Reshma throws a ball to Salma. Reshma throws a ball to Salma. And throws a ball to Salma to Mandeep to Reshma. Mandeep again throws it to Reshma. If the distance between Reshma and Salma are 6 centimeter, Reshma and Salma, their distance is 6 meters. So RA to RS is 6 meter. Okay, and S to M also 6 meter, because they are sitting at a equal distance. Salma to Mandeep, if the distance between Reshma and Salma and between Salma and Mandeep, also it is our 6 it is 6 meter. Okay, 6 meter it is also. So here it is 3m and 3m altogether it is 6 meters. What is the distance between Reshma and Mandeep? Because Mandeep throws the ball to Reshma, they want to find out the distance between Mandeep and Reshma. So construction, what constructions we have done? We have drawn a line CA. We have drawn a perpendicular CA on RS from the center. So this perpendicular will bisect the chord RS. So RA will be equal to half of RS cube, because perpendicular from the center drawn on a chord bisect the chord. So RA will be equal to half of RS, and RS is equal to 6 meter. So RA will be equal to AS, and will be 6 by 2 is equal to 3 meters. It will be of 3 meter, or RA equal to, or we can write it like this also, RA, or we can write it, or RA will be 6 by 2 half of RS. So RA will be 3 meter, and angle CAR will be 90 degree angle, because perpendicular makes a 90 degree angle at the chord. Okay, now in triangle CA, in this triangle we are talking. So CRA CA means this this perpendicular. Perpendicular. CA will be equal to CR hypotenuse square minus this is hypotenuse and this is the base minus AR square. So if you will solve it, CA will be equal to 4 meters. CA will come to your 4 meter. This CA length will come to, now it will become your 4 meter. It will become 4 meter. Okay, it will become 4 meter. Now you see it is a kite, C, R, S and M. Now it is a in kite shape, kite, CRSM. CR equal to CM and RS is equal to SM also, because it is given here. It is given here. And CS and RM, this C and S, if you take this as a kite, so CS is a diagonal. Similarly, RM is also a diagonals. So CS and RM are the two diagonals. And diagonals of kite are a perpendicular. Diagonals will be always perpendicular. Diagonals of kite are perpendicular, and so CB line. This your CB line, CB will bisect R and M because it is perpendicular at the point of intersection. Point of intersection, it will be diagonals. CS and diagonals of kite are perpendicular on intersection, on the point of intersection, and on the point, and so CB will bisect the line RM, and RB will be equal to B and M. Okay, up to here, kite are perpendicular on point of intersection. On point of intersection. On point of intersection. So now here onwards, I will come to further. Now, from our last point was RB is equal to BM. This is because perpendicular bisects it. So up to here we have explained in our previous slide. Okay. Now in we will try to find out the area of angle. This triangle CRS. This triangle CRS. This whole triangle we are going. So area of a triangle. The formula is half height into base. So for this triangle CRS triangle, what will be our formula is for if we take this RB as the height, so our formula will be half RB will be height and CS will be our base. And if you take not this side, if you take the other side, this side also, this side you take the height, it is RA is also a height, so we can say half CA, half C and A, half into CA. Now CA is your height, and RS is your base, because in this triangle we are talking about this triangle. So here CRS, in this CRS we have a triangle like this. This is C, S, and this is our. It is a point C, it is R, and it is S. And here this is RB, R and B. So here one height is RB, and CS is the base. Okay, so one side is this type of triangle, and another we are talking about CRS. We are talking about this. CA is the height. CA is the height, and RS is your base. And the other we are talking about this one, means this type of, means it is like this. This is like this. C, R, A and S. So CA is your height. Now this is your height. This is your height. In this it is your height. And RS is your, this is your RS is your base. So okay, and here CS is your base. So in this in this triangle CRA, we are having two heights. One height is this one, and one height is this one. So if we take, both should be equal because it is the area of one triangle only, area of CRS we are talking. So by any way, if we take any height, it should come equal. So we have put the value CA is equal to 4 centimeter. We have already calculated it. R and S, it is given in the question, it is 6 meter. Here RB is not given, of course, but CS is given. C and S is given. C and S is the radius. So radius is also 5 meters. So C and S being the radius, CS will be equal to 5 meter. We have put the value here 5 we have put a value here. Okay, 5 we have put a value. Now we are solving. RB we are leaving it as it is. 2 to 2 we have struck out, so 2 will remain. 6 to the 12, and this figure when it will transpose to other side, it will reverse. So 2 will go up and 5 will come down. So if we solve, RB will be equal to 4.8 meter. Now we have already proved RB is equal to BM. It means RB plus BM equal to RM. And in place of BM, we can write RB also because both are equal. So RB and RB we can write equal to RM. So RM will be equal to RB plus BM. RB plus BM, but in place of BM we can write RB also because both are equal. So 4.8 plus 4.8 equal to RM. And both if you join together, it comes to 9.6 meter, and it is your answer. So in this way we have found out the distance between Reshma and Mandeep, that is 9.6 meter. Now our question 5 is over. We will go to question number 6. Now exercise 9.2, question number 6 we are doing. So in this question what is given? A circular park of radius 20 meter. One circular park is given, its radius. Radius means from the center to the circle. Means BD, BS or BA. These are the radius. Radius is equal to 20 meter. Means AS. AB is your radius. AB is a radius, BD is a radius, and BS is the radius. So our radius are 20 meter. And three boys, Ankur, Syed and David, are sitting at equal distance. It means the distance AS and SD and AD both are sitting at a equal distance. So both will be equal. This line and this line will be equal. So it is a equilateral triangle. ASD is a triangle. ASD is a equilateral triangle. So in case of equilateral triangle, all medians will pass through the center, always pass through the center, and median intersect each other in the ratio of 2:1. These 2 points you have to keep in mind. In equilateral triangle, median intersect each other in the ratio of 2:1. This is the important thing you have to keep in your mind. Always remember it. It is, you have to remember it. But it is in case of equilateral triangle. Keep it in mind, it is in case of equilateral triangle. Okay, now we are solving the question. You have to find out the length of string of each phone. Distance, equal distance on its boundary. On its boundary, they are sitting on the boundary of the park, each having a toy telephone in their hand. Ankur, Syed and David, they are having toy telephone on their hand to talk each other. Find the length of string of each phone. From here to here it is equal, here to here it is equal, this distance is also equal. So the string of the phone will also be equal. Now we are solving the question. Length of string of each phone you have to find out. Solution. AC is the median. E is the median of triangle AS and D. This is the triangle. ASD is the triangle and AC is median. Okay. So AB, this AB and BC, their ratio, AB and BC, their ratio will be 2 upon 1. 2 upon 1, we can write it like this also. So when AB is given, AB is 20 meter, it is given. AB is 20 meter, radius is given. Radius is 20 meter. So BC will be, when it is 20, it will be 10 meter. Okay. And AC from here to here, it will be AB plus BC. So AC will be 30 meter. Okay, up to here, I think it is clear to you. So this A and C, it will be 30 meter. Now in triangle, full again ACD. ACD. And now we are talking about this line, AC and D. So this line and this line, all lines are equal. So we can say AD A and D, because we have to find the string length. So AD square Pythagoras we are using the Pythagoras theorem in ACD, using Pythagoras theorem. Actually, by writing it takes too much time. That's why I first write and then I explain, because you just see writing this, it takes time. So AD square will be AC square and plus C and D square. This square, hypotenuse square will be perpendicular square plus base square. It will be, so AD equal to AC we have just find out. AC we have found out 30 meter. So 30 square it will be. And CD and D. CD, we can CD square. CD is the half of AD, because this line and this line are equal. So CD we can say it is half of AD also. Why AD we are writing? Because AD is here also, so it will be easy for us to solve the question. As SD is equal to SD is equal to AD, it is already given. SD is equal to is given. So in place of CD, we can write AD upon 2 also. So AD, now we are putting the value. AD square, and this plus we will taking out, transposing to other side. So it will be AD square and it will be 4 upon 4 is equal to 900. Now we take, because by LCM we are solving. So here one is hidden. So it will be 4 AD square minus AD square. So what will remain? 3 AD square upon 4 is equal to 900. From here we have gone to this side. Now AD square is remaining, or because AD square will remain and 3 upon 4 we will take to this side. So 4 will go up and 3 will come down. So 3 will cut 900, it will become 300. AD square is now, so AD will be equal to 300 into 4, but it will come in under root. So 300, if you break it, 10 into 10 into 3 it will come, and 4 2 into 2. So we will make a pair because root we are solving. So here pair is 10 and 2, and 3 it does not have a pair, so it will remain in root. So AD equal to 20, 10, 20 into, and this will be under 3 will remain in root. So meter will be your answer. This is the length of the string of each one. Okay. Thanks for watching our video. Please, if you like it, please share with your friends also, so that they can also get the benefit. Thank you.